How to add Google Calendar in Notion. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are good. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add your Google Calendar into your Notion and how you can basically keep a track of your upcoming projects from your Google Calendar directly into your Notion and how you can keep everything organized. So let's get into it. This is basically my Notion. As you can see, this is my Notion dashboard, and I haven't basically added anything in it right now because this is just a fresh website that I've created. So what you need to do to integrate your Google Calendar into it is basically you need to go on to another platform, which is indify.co. So it is basically, it gives you widgets for Notion and how you can integrate them. It's very easy. You come here and you can basically click on this add new widget and you're good to go, or you can just go on and here you have the option of explore widget. So you can see this is the widget that we want. This is Google Calendar. You can just click on this create widget and it's going to be created. Let's say I'm just going to name it test. You can just continue. Okay, so here you can see this is basically the Google Calendar. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sign in with my Google account to get the Google Calendar of my account of Google into this option right here. So I'm just going to do that quickly and I'll quickly show you how it looks like. Okay, so when you sign in with the Google, your calendar is going to appear here. Then you have this link. So what you're basically going to do is you're just going to copy this link and you basically need to come onto your Notion, and in here you're going to add a page. In that page, you are just going to embed that link that you have just copied from there. Just click on this name it calendar, and then you're just going to embed that link. Like for example, it's an empty page. I'm just going to click on this option. I'm going to paste that link and your calendar that you have made on your indify.co is going to appear here. So it's that easy. This is how basically you can integrate your Google Calendar into your Notion. So that's it for today's video, guys. Please give this video a big thumbs up and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, take good care and bye bye.